So after using Steve's method for, I would say, a month to 6 weeks, which is at the time of this recording, I have been seeing consistent growth, consistent organic reach increase, consistent increase in my engagement rate, which is a key indicator of your Facebook page being a success, and consistent traffic coming back to my website. So I am here to share with you something that's working for me, and I feel very confident that this can help you as well. So I am sharing my screen right now, and I am showing you my Facebook page. You can see that it's a relatively small page. I have 13,795 likes at the time of this recording. But I want to share with you some numbers to show you the growth. And when you are growing a fan page, the rate of growth is really what matters, because over time, you can grow it to a substantial size. So as you can see over here, my reach, which used to be in I would say in the thousands, is now in 73,359 for this particular week. I just logged in. I have 15 new notifications, so there is a lot of traffic and talking happening on my page, which I used to have none. And in the last week, I have had 1,212 likes. And this is the middle of the week that we are recording this. So as you can see, these numbers are very encouraging, but let me dig a little bit deeper, because I want to show you the actual growth over time. So I started using this method very religiously, just as Steve teaches it in the Facebook Challenge program, around October. And for a couple of weeks, it was okay. It was still not showing me huge results, but you can see right here, starting in November, I started getting daily likes in the hundreds, as you can see. And I want to highlight this particular day where I have never, ever in all the years had any day where I had more than 1,000 likes. And on November 26th, I had 1,017 likes. The rate continues to grow. And again, very recently on December 7th, I had 1,400 likes in one day. So not only am I using Steve's strategy with great success, but this is also putting my page out there in front of influencers who see the content that I'm sharing and are interested in spreading it and sharing it. I am doing very minimal, as in maybe $5 a day here and there, not every day, boosting. And I would say overall, I may have spent in the course of a month, maybe $100 on advertising, not much. And the rest of it has been building really amazing, great content that I believe is really going to resonate with my audience. So putting things out there that really, really resonates. And also using the sharing strategies that Steve teaches you, as well as the consistent posting strategies. And so this is just amazing to me, because I had nearly given up on Facebook. I am not kidding. I just felt like this was just a mystery. I couldn't solve it. And let me share with you also, and this is really interesting to me, that you can see I started around 11,094 likes on October 31st, and it was a steady growth, which I'm very happy with. But suddenly on November 25th, a little less than a month later, it had a huge jump. And then the growth wasn't just the same growth. It was actually more of what I would describe as exponential growth. And you can see just, in a little over a month, I am so much further along in my growth. And this is very encouraging to me, because Facebook is a place where there's so much opportunity. And I'm so glad now, for the first time, to feel like I'm in the game. So thank you, Steve, because this really works. I want to share with you one more page here. So you can see here that there is very, very little paid, and mostly it's organic reach. You can see the darker color is the $5 or so boosts that I would do here and there, only after a post has done really, really well, as Steve recommends. Oops, sorry about that. And so you can see that the organic reach is growing on the posts that I'm sharing. And I believe I had another link here, right? And this is Steve's calculator where he shows you the engagement rate. And so when I started using this method, so let me just bring this up right now. Right now, today, my engagement rate is 23.54%. And just to give you the relativity here, my engagement rate when I first started was around 3 or 4%, if I'm not mistaken. It was in the low single digits. And so over time, this has grown consistently. And I can't tell you how happy this makes me, because it feels like my effort is actually working. So I want to say to naysayers out there that this works. The right method for Facebook works. And I want to tell you that this is not just a fluke that worked for me and for Steve. I also have a niche site called Prolific Juicing. So I used the same experiment on that site. And on that site, the size of my fan page was even smaller. I started with, I think, 800 people. And now I have more than doubled that size in less than the time I spent here. So in less than a month, I have more than doubled. I'm at 1,700 or so. I'm not going to take the time here to show it to you, but you could go check out Prolific Juicing. And so I have experimented with this particular strategy, Facebook Challenge by Steve Aitchison, for 2 very separate Facebook fan pages. One is my personal development, Prolific Living, and the other is my juicing and smoothie niche site, Prolific Juicing. And it's working beautifully. I couldn't be more excited. So this is a big shout out to Steve for putting together the Facebook challenge, something that truly works and gives you really the reach and the recognition that you deserve for all of your hard work for Facebook. And also to tell you that don't give up, because if it works, there is huge opportunities in Facebook to grow your business. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.